Hello dear students, welcome back to Sonika's history class. So today we are going to complete our French Revolution with this map part. As I told you that we will be doing map also regarding France. So these are the places which we have to do major: Paris, Nantes, Bordeaux and Marseille. Okay. So these only are the four places which CBSE also has asked, you can say given in the syllabus, that these only four places you have to mark in chapter France. Okay. So first of all, we need to understand that what kind of question is asked. Okay, whether the question is asked directly, such as mark Paris on the map of France, or mark Nantes or Bordeaux, Marseille. Either the question can be direct or it can be indirect also, where you have to see what is the answer of the question, such as if you see here, a port city in France related to slave trade. Now, port city in France, we have read when we were studying the topic, France abolished slavery. There we read that from the ports of France, slaves were exported to, the traders went to Africa to for the slaves, right? So it was a Bordeaux city, which was port city in France, from where the slave trade happened. So if the question will be just as mark a port city in France which was related to slave trade. So for this answer, you must know that which was that city related to slave trade. So you will be marking Bordeaux. Okay, means first you need to understand the location where it is located, and second you must know if it comes in the form of question also. Okay, so you must know the answer and then you must know the location. Then second will be a port city related to slave trade. Again, another port city. Okay, Nantes was also another port city which was related to slave trade. Okay, then a city of France where French Revolution occurred. Now you must be knowing it was Paris, right? Storming that fort of Bastille, it was in Paris. Okay, so a city of France where the French Revolution occurred, or you can say where the storming or where the revolution broke out. Okay, so you will write Paris and then you will locate. Then a town in South France. Now this question gives you one hint that this location is in south of France. Region not affected by the Great War. The war which happened in France, whole France, there was one place which did not get affected a lot because of this, you can say, Great War. It was Marseille. Okay. Marseille, you must remember now, this was the place from where that patriotic song, or you can say which is right now the national anthem of France, it originated. It was Marseille's place. So it is in south of France. Okay. So either the question will be asked in the form of question answers, or it can be directly asked like on the given outline map of France, mark these places. So you can be asked any 2-3 places to mark. Okay. So now let us understand that how you will be marking this. Now when we say Paris, if you get the political map as I am showing you here on the screen right now, then it will be very easy to mark, right? So Paris is here. Many a times when in school, I am used to give hint to the students. If you go to this curve, here we have mark a straight line, and from here, as this map is not full here, from here also mark the straight line wherever the both lines meet. Okay, so there you mark Paris. Okay. Then comes Nantes. Nantes is very easy to mark. It is in the coast only. No, sorry, border only. Okay, here. Then Bordeaux, you can see this line, black line, it comes into, it cuts this at the end of this line only. Bordeaux you will mark. Then Marseille, again, it is very easy to mark. Okay, all these three locations, Nantes, Bordeaux and Marseille, they are very easy to remember also. And for Paris, as it is in mid, it is not on the border. So I have given you one hint that from this curve, don't get confused. This here also we have curve. Okay, it is the bigger one. Okay, so this curve you have to mark a straight line, and from there in center. Okay, so then wherever both the lines meet, there you mark Paris. Okay, so now we can have the same on the outline map also for practice. Now here you will be able to see the full map. Now where we marked Paris, here as I told you, from this curve we marked one straight line, and from here then here we marked another straight line. Okay, wherever both the lines meet, there you mark Paris. Okay, as I am using finger, so I am not able to mark the straight lines. Wait. Okay, so here you mark Paris. Then comes Nantes. Here was Nantes, if you remember. Then Bordeaux, this line. Here you will mark Bordeaux, and then Marseille you will mark here. Okay, in the south of France. I hope the all four locations are clear to you how you have to mark, even if the political map you get, and also if you get the outline map only. And many a times problem which is noticed with children till now, which I have noticed, students don't understand how to hold the map, right? As if we say India's maps, we know which part is north, which is south India, right? We know how to hold the map, है ना, पकड़ना कैसे है map को. But many a times children in France map, they hold the map upside down, or it can be east side, they make the north. Okay, so you must understand how you have to hold the map. Okay, so you can remember from this part, na, where you have marked Bordeaux, it will be in the south. Okay, and these two curves, it will be in the north. Okay, so you can remember from this, I hope. Or any other, you can say, shape or figure you can make in your mind, which from which you understand that how to hold the map. Okay, so this mistake you must not do. I hope it is clear to you. This is what you can do now. If you have printer at home, you can get it printed. Okay, just type in Google outline map of France or political map of France. Also write class 9. Okay, so you can get it printed and practice at home. Otherwise, you can just wait for lockdown to get over. Then you can practice. Okay. Okay, see you soon. I hope you have understood. Okay, bye.